how you can find the top 3 best voice recorder apps for Android. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, we have Super Recorder Plus. So this app has a friendly layout and records with clear sound, and it lets you record in MP3 or WAV. You can pause and resume anytime, and it uses noise reduction to make your voice sound clean. Then you can put your recordings into folders and share them with friends. Next, there is Smart Voice Recorder. Now this one is great for long stuff like lectures, and it has skip silence mode, so it doesn't save quiet parts and saves space. It also lets you save in different formats and share to email or the cloud. After that, we have ASR Voice Recorder. This one is full of features. You can record in MP3, WAV, OGG, and more. It gives you cloud support so you can save to Google Drive or Dropbox, and it even has an editor so you can cut your audio right in the app. Once you try these 3, you can choose the one that fits you best. And that's it. That's how you can find the top 3 best voice recorder apps for Android.